Welcome everyone. Today we're going to talk about the XG Firewall on the MSP Flex program. Do a quick overview into the registration and licensing of the firewall. To start, we're going to take a look at registering the XG Firewall. So licensing can be done from My Sophos, which is a Sophos licensing portal. If this is a partner-owned device, definitely recommend that you register all of firewalls under a single email address. You will need to create a new email address for this. I do recommend a distribution list, something in the neighborhood of XG orders or xgmspflex@yourdomain.com. That way everybody can utilize this address and log in. If this is a customer-owned firewall, I definitely recommend registering it under the customer's email account. This will help in the future if you have to offboard the client for any particular reason, or the customer wants access to the registration contacts of their particular firewall if it is owned by them. You can absolutely still continue to put this under your own XG orders distribution list or whatever you decide to set up and transfer it at any later time. Another option, and this is going to be brand new, is to register via Sophos Central Firewall Management. This is called CM for short. The registration for the devices can be done directly from the Sophos Central admin page for that customer. This can be done with new devices only at the moment. To register the XG Firewall, you'll need to do it via one of two methods. You can register it using a local admin account on the customer's central admin, or you can register it using the currently logged in partner admin account. Now, if you're wanting to maintain everything into a single My Sophos account, I definitely recommend adding that distribution list we just talked about to your Sophos Central Partner dashboard. This will require MFA for multiple people to access it, and I do recommend setting up MFA for each individual person that is accessing it using the Google Authenticator, which is the easiest method. Simply put their name as their name and authenticator, and that way they can select it from the drop-down. Another option would be to simply register it to your own account that is logged in through the partner admin, and then transfer it later via My Sophos into the correct account. Either method, it works just fine. So the MSP XG Firewall subscriptions. Essentially, to get a subscription onto your firewall, once it is registered and it is in the dashboard, it will show up in your Sophos Central Partner dashboard. You click on Firewalls on the left-hand side, and under All Firewalls, you'll see your serial number listed. Inside here, you can click the Add button, and that Add button will allow you to go in and apply for a subscription. You'll get an option of either Enterprise Guard Plus, which are the two most commonly used subscriptions on there, or Full Guard and Full Guard Plus. The plus on there indicates the Sandstorm feature, the sandboxing technology. Once you have that selected and you click Save, it will go into a pending state. Within 12 to 24 hours, you will receive an email with an activation code for that firewall. You will need to log on directly to the firewall itself in order to actually license the device. It is not automatically assigned through this dashboard. This simply just requests the license that you want for that device. Once it has been applied, your pending should go from pending into actually licensed with Full Guard. So if you need to deactivate a customer subscription on your XG Firewall, same method. You're going to click on that license inside of there, in this case the Full Guard Plus. You're going to go down and select None, and from here you can hit Save. This is going to send an email in to our team, create a ticket, having them remove the license from that particular serial number on that XG Firewall. You can then put this on a shelf, and when you're ready to deploy it out to the next customer, you can do so. If this is customer-owned firewall, you can simply just walk away. So if you inherit a firewall from another partner, what you're going to need to do is reach out to your local MSP team. We are going to need to have you transfer it as the partner of record. We are going to have to ensure that that device is not owned by the other partner first. If it is owned by the customer, great, we can quickly and easily transfer that over to you, and we can move the My Sophos licensing over. If you are still in contact with the customer and the former partner, you can have them move the My Sophos licensing over easy enough. This is directly under the My Sophos, the change registrant option. They can go in and transfer that to your email address of choice. If they are not cooperating, and again, it is a customer-owned firewall, please reach out to your local MSP team and we'll be glad to help.